The power shift begins. There's always a moment when everything flips. At first, she had all the control. You were the one calling, texting, trying to fix things, hoping she'd change your mind. You told yourself, if I just say the right thing, maybe she'll see what she's losing. But she didn't. Instead, she pulled away, maybe even acted like she didn't care. That's when you decided to step back, not out of revenge, but because you were tired of trying. And that silence, it changed everything. Because silence isn't just the absence of words, it's the presence of power. The moment you stop explaining yourself, stop chasing, stop trying to be understood, something inside her starts to shift. She begins to wonder, wait, why isn't he trying anymore? That's when curiosity turns into regret, and regret turns into a desperate need to reconnect.
When she starts reaching out again. At first, it's small things. Maybe she watches your story, likes your old post, sends a random, "Hey," or "How have you been?" message, like nothing ever happened. It might seem harmless, but deep down, you know what's going on. She's testing the waters, trying to see if she still has a place in your world. And that's where most people make the mistake. They jump at the first sign of attention. Because let's be real, it feels good. After all that pain, the silence, the distance, her message feels like validation. But that's exactly where you have to pause. Because the moment you respond too quickly, you give her back the power she lost. Sometimes, silence is the loudest answer you can give. You don't need to ignore her forever, but you do need to show that your peace means more than her presence. She left when you cared the most, now let her see what it feels like when you don't.
Why silence works better than words. Here's the truth. People underestimate silence until they experience it. According to behavioral studies, when someone stops engaging emotionally, it triggers a psychological effect known as the attention gap. It's that uncomfortable space where someone realizes they're no longer the center of your focus, and it makes them crave it even more. That's exactly what happens when you go silent. You stop giving her the reactions she's used to. You stop feeding the drama or the emotional back and forth. She's left with her own thoughts, and trust me, that's the last place she wants to be. She'll replay every word, every decision, every moment where she thought you'd always be there. Suddenly, your silence becomes the mirror that forces her to see what she's done. And here's what's even more powerful. Silence isn't cruel, it's clarity. You're not punishing her, you're protecting your peace. You're showing her that not everything lost can be recovered with a simple, "I miss you."
When regret hits her hard. There's a certain look people get when regret hits them. It's quiet, uncertain, almost haunted. She might not say it directly, but you'll feel it. The way she lingers in your messages a little longer, the way she brings up old memories as if trying to relive them, the way her tone softens. That's regret, speaking without words. She starts to realize how good she had it, how your loyalty wasn't something everyone gives, how your attention wasn't just a habit, it was a form of love she took for granted. And now, when she comes crawling back, she's not coming back because she suddenly found something new to love. She's coming back because she finally felt the emptiness your absence created. But here's the real test. What do you do now? Do you give in to that nostalgia? Or do you stay silent and let her feel the weight of what she lost?
Why you shouldn't rush to respond. We live in a world where quick replies and instant reactions are the norm. But in situations like this, patience is your greatest strength. Because silence isn't just about ignoring someone, it's about showing that you've moved past the need for closure or attention. You've grown. When you stay silent, you're not playing games. You're making a statement. You can't walk in and out of my life whenever it suits you. That kind of silence holds dignity. It's calm, mature, and confident. It says you value yourself too much to reopen old wounds just because someone suddenly remembered your worth. And here's something most people won't admit. When you don't respond, she'll think about it all day. That unread message will echo louder than any reply ever could. She'll question why you're not reacting, and that curiosity will keep her up at night.
She'll remember who you were. After enough silence, something beautiful happens. She starts to remember who you were, not the person she walked away from, but the one she fell for. The way you cared, the effort you gave, the way you made her feel safe. It all comes back, piece by piece. But now, you're different. You're no longer waiting for her recognition. You've evolved into someone stronger, someone more peaceful, someone who doesn't need validation from the person who once overlooked them. That's when the real power of silence shows. It turns the tables completely, because now she's the one wondering what went wrong, trying to rewrite the story, hoping for a second chance. But sometimes, the silence isn't meant to bring someone back. It's meant to remind you that you deserved better all along.
When she finally admits her mistake. If she truly regrets it, she'll eventually admit it. Maybe not in the dramatic, movie-style confession we imagine, but in small, honest ways. A late-night message, a quiet apology, a line that says, "I shouldn't have let you go." It might feel tempting to break the silence then, to forgive, to go back. But before you do, ask yourself this. Did she come back because she missed you, or because she missed the way you made her feel? There's a difference. Real change doesn't come from missing comfort. It comes from realizing your own mistakes. If she's truly changed, her actions will show it. But until then, silence is your filter. It separates those who are sorry from those who are just lonely.
The strength in staying silent. Silence doesn't mean weakness. It means wisdom. It means you've learned that not every apology deserves a response, and not every return deserves a welcome. It means you finally understand that your peace has value, and no one should be able to take it away. When she comes crawling back, you don't need to make a scene or prove anything. Just stay calm. Stay still. Let your silence remind her of everything she threw away. Because in the end, silence isn't revenge, it's reflection. And sometimes, the most powerful way to win is to say absolutely nothing.